This year, the staff member that I truly connected with was Coach Turner. And the reason I say that is because coming up, I didn't think that someone like him even existed. To see someone who used to play in the NFL come and become a doctor, a college professor, to be around someone like that is truly amazing because I didn't know that African-American men like that even existed. You know, coming up in society the way that I did, in the way that my people came up, you know, you see African-American men and they're depicted as these ruthless and uneducated people with no guidance. And a lot of the times that is the case, but a lot of times that's not the case. A lot of times you have young African-American men who are successful without a ball or without a mic, and they don't show you that. They don't depict that. They don't want you to see that because that's knowledge. And when you see that, they don't want you to think about it. They don't want you to see that. And so when I saw someone like Coach Turner, it really opened my eyes. I was like, it was just like I didn't know people like this existed. I didn't know that you could be an African-American doctor and teach social science, or you could be an African-American football player, leave and become a professor at Duke University. And so the media doesn't show that. The media doesn't show African-American men becoming successful of high college educations or African-American men mentoring other young African-American men. The media doesn't want you to see that. The media wants you to see that this minority group is struggling. This minority group is killing one another. This minority group is hurting this country. But in our reality, this minority group is struggling and thriving together. And this minority group is doing well. Some of the ones that actually want to learn, who want that knowledge, who hunger for that knowledge, we're actually out here. And to see someone like Coach Turner as an African-American man is something that all young African-American men need to see.